quick video on 2019 Honda Pilot alternator replacement. There's plenty of other videos on older models out there. Gonna do a quick overview to help other people out because it was a royal pain. Take your air stuff off, all your plastics on the front end, disconnect your battery. Then you're gonna go down, get your alternator, get everything disconnected, electric connector off your alternator, and then also remove your AC compressor, the electronics on that. There is a wire tie that is on the back of the housing of the alternator that you must pull out in order to get everything out. Move all your wiring harness, get everything loose up here, move the whole harness up here, your computer, take your shroud off here, disconnect all the computer housing, take your water tank for your coolant, slide it out, get it out, stick it over there somewhere, get it out of the way. And then the alternator, once you get your computer and all your wiring, you're gonna take this off here as well and get all your electronics and the whole wire loom for the engine harness, flip it up over here. And then your alternator, you got your top and bottom bolts, and you're gonna actually take it out through the front here underneath this line. So it's gonna come out where my hand is and wiggle it out. It is not easy, but it does go in, backside in, and then you should be good to go.